Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I'm gonna show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this settings bar. To turn on the motion photo we have to tap to this button the second from the right. So just one tap and we can turn on it, another tap to turn it off. This is really easy. Now let me keep it, turn it on, and when we have it we should get 2-in-1 when we take a picture, the photo and the short clip. So let's try to use it by taking a photo. To see it, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the picture looks like with option view motion photo, so let's tap on it. And now, as you can see, we have the short clip with sound. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.